Hello children, myself Divya Sharma from Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. Today we are going to study chapter number 8, A Trip to Mars from your English text book. So take out your books, Gulmohar Language for Life, chapter number 8, A Trip to Mars, page number 69. A Trip to Mars has the characteristics of a scientific fiction. Fiction, as I told you earlier, is an imaginative writing. It is based on an imaginary trip to Mars. It is about an astronaut named Captain Jenna who is on a specific mission to planet Mars. And Curio, a robot, accompanied her on the trip, and finally she completes her mission successfully. Now let's start with the reading of the chapter. This story is about an astronaut named Captain Jenna. She is the captain of a spacecraft which flies into outer space. Here we will read how she travels to the planet Mars alone and what she does over there. Now over here, your first new word is astronaut. Astronaut is a person who travels to outer space. Now the name of the astronaut was Captain Jenna, and she flies the spacecraft into outer space, and here we are going to read how she travels to the planet Mars alone and what she does over there. Captain Jenna had gone into outer space several times in a spacecraft with other astronauts and scientists. But this time it was different. Now Captain Jenna has traveled several times in a spacecraft with the other astronauts. But what was different this time, that she was going to fly the spacecraft alone. This time she was going to fly a spacecraft to Mars alone. Your second new word over here is spacecraft. Spacecraft is a vehicle that carries people to the outer space. She wanted to explore it and see and know a lot of different things about the planet. Explore means when you go to a new place, you want to know something more about it. You need to have more information about it. That means exploring. She also wanted to collect rocks and soil from there and bring them back to Earth for scientists to study. Now what was her mission of going to the planet Mars? That she wanted to collect the rocks and soil from there and bring it back to the Earth for other scientists to study. After a lot of discussion with other astronauts and scientists, Captain Jenna set on her journey to Mars a few days later. Here you have your third new word, that is journey. Journey is the act of traveling from one place to another. Now, after a lot of discussion with the other astronauts and scientists, she finally set off her journey to the planet Mars to know more about it. A small robot called Curio accompanied her on her trip to help her on Mars. Now, who accompanies Captain Jenna in her journey? The robot named Curio. As she moved further into space, Captain Jenna watched the Earth getting smaller and smaller. Now, as she was moving further into space, she could see that the Earth is getting smaller and smaller. She noticed the stars in the sky and thought about the planets that go around the sun. In this line, your next new word is noticed. Now what she notices over there, as she was moving further into the space, she noticed the stars in the sky and the planets and how they go around the sun. After many days, the spacecraft finally reached Mars. It took a long time for them to reach Mars since it was so far from Earth. As Mars planet was so far from the Earth, finally they reached after many days to the planet. Oh wow, I can see the two moons of Mars, Captain Jenna said eagerly to herself. Now, what could she see when she reached on the planet Mars? She could see the two moons of the planet Mars, and she said eagerly to herself. Eagerly over here means out of excitement, she said. She then landed the spacecraft on the planet's surface. This is the next new word, so underline it. Next new word is surface. It is a flat outer part of something. As she noticed out of the window, she became very excited about finally reaching Mars. She could not wait to start her work. Now, as she landed her spacecraft to the planet's surface, she looked out of the window and she was very excited. And she was so excited that she could not wait and she wanted to start her work soon. "Let me take my digging tool with me," she said. Then she opened the hatch door and got down from the spacecraft. Now she took her digging tool with her and then she opened the hatch door. Hatch door is a special kind of door which you could find in ships or the spacecraft. And she got down from the spacecraft to start with her mission. Captain Jenna wore a special spacesuit which she had brought along with her. She also carried an air tank on her back to help her breathe, as she did not want to breathe the dangerous air on Mars. Breathe is your next new word. You have to underline breathe over here. Now, this astronaut, Captain Jenna, wears a spacesuit which she has brought along with her, and she also carries an air tank to breathe, as she did not want to breathe the dangerous air over Mars. She looked at the surface of the planet and decided to walk far away from the spacecraft in search of rocks and soil. "Mars is full of large and rocky hills," she said. Now, what did she look at the surface of the planet? She decided to walk far away from the spacecraft in search of soil and rocks. And what did she found? That Mars is full of large rocky hills. Okay. Captain Jenna's scientist friends had already told her about all the good places on Mars from where she could dig out the rocks. Now, already Captain Jenna was being told by the scientists that what are the good places to be seen on Mars where she could dig out the rocks. "Now, I should go in search of the spots from where I can find the right rocks for the test," she said. Curio too went along with her to help her find the rocks. Now she went in search of the spots from where she could find the rocks which were to be sent to the scientists on the Earth for research. And Curio, the robot which accompanied her, it went along with her to help her find out the rocks. The scientist had asked Jenna to collect rocks and soil from the surface of Mars because they wanted to see if there was life on Mars long ago. Now, why the scientist asked Captain Jenna to collect rocks and soil from the planet Mars? Because they wanted to see if long time ago the life existed on this planet or not. Captain Jenna used her digging tool and collected a lot of rocks to perform tests on them. Perform is your next new word, so underline it. Now, Captain Jenna used her digging tools to dig out the rocks and collect the rocks to perform tests for the scientists. She then took the help of Curio to study the rocks and see if they could be taken back to scientists on Earth. Now, she also started studying the rocks and it decided that if they could be taken to the planet Earth for the scientists to study. Curio helped Captain Jenna study the rocks. It also assisted her in digging a few more rocks from the soil. Now, Curio, the robot which accompanied Captain Jenna, he also assisted her in digging few of the rocks from the soil. Finally, it took a picture of Captain Jenna and sent it to Earth for all other astronauts and scientists to see. Your next new word is picture. So, mark it in your book. Now, Curio the robot took Captain Jenna's picture to send it to other astronauts and scientists to see. At last, the time came for Captain Jenna and Curio to leave the red planet and head back home. Now, it was time for them to go back home. They traveled past all the planets and stars. Captain Jenna's work was done as she had brought back all the rocks which she had collected on her mission. Now, as they were traveling back to the Earth, Captain Jenna's work was done as she had brought back all the rocks which she had collected during her mission. She came back and told everyone about what she saw on Mars. The scientist thought that people had lived on Mars a long time ago. Now, as she told everyone that what all did she see on the planet Mars, the scientists thought that a long time ago the people lived over there on planet Mars. They even wondered means to think, they even wondered if Mars was green and blue like Earth at one time. All the scientists congratulated Captain Jenna and told her what excellent work she had done. Now all the scientists congratulated Captain Jenna as she was able to complete her mission successfully. Well done, Captain Jenna. Soon it will be time for you to get ready for another trip, they said together. Now all the scientists, while congratulating Captain Jenna, they said, well done, Captain Jenna, and soon it will be time for you to complete your next trip soon. Now children, I will be discussing word meanings with you. Take out page number 69. Here you have your first word meaning, that is planet, a large round object in space that revolves around the sun. Same page you have your second word meaning, that is discussion, a conversation about something important with someone. Now on next page, page number 71, you have your third word meaning, that is assisted. Assisted means helped. Next page, page number 72, mission, a task or a piece of work that has to be completed by someone. So you have four word meanings in this chapter. Now I'll discuss the copy work with you all. Let's start with the copy work, children. First, draw red margins. In the first line, write down lesson 8, then write the name of the chapter, a trip to Mars, underline the headings. Then in the next line, write down the heading, new words, underline. Let's start with the first one, astronaut. Okay, the astronaut, as I told you, the people who travel to outer space. Second new word is spacecraft. Spacecraft is a vehicle which carries people to the outer space. Third word is journey. Fourth is noticed. Fifth new word is surface. Sixth new word is breathe. Seventh new word is perform. And eighth one is picture. After completing the new words, draw the red margin. Then come to the word meaning. Discussion, a conversation with someone. Planet, a large round object in space that revolves round the sun. Third word meaning is assisted, which means helped. Mission, a task to be completed. After completing the word meanings, again draw the red margin. Answer the following. Who was Captain Jenna? Captain Jenna was an astronaut. She was also the captain of a spaceship. As we read that the name of the astronaut was Captain Jenna. She was an astronaut and she was also the captain of the spaceship. Question number 2. Where did she decide to fly her spacecraft to? What did she want to do there? She decided to fly her spacecraft to Mars. She wanted to explore the planet and see and know a lot of different things. As we read in the chapter that she was on a mission to planet Mars as she wanted to explore the planet and see and know more things, different things about the planet Mars. Question 3. Who accompanied her on her trip? Why did it go with her? A small robot called Curio accompanied her on her trip. It went with her to help her on Mars. As we read in the chapter that the robot named Curio accompanied Captain Jenna to the journey to planet Mars. And why did it go with her? To help her on the planet. Question number 4. What did Captain Jenna do with the digging tool? Captain Jenna used her digging tool to dig out rocks and soil from the surface of Mars. She took her digging tool with her, and how did she use her digging tool? To dig out the rocks and soil from the surface of the planet Mars. Now your next question is, read the line and answer the questions. She noticed the stars in the sky and thought about the planets that go around the sun. Who is she? In the line, she refers to Captain Jenna. Where is she? She is inside a spacecraft. What was her mission? She was on her journey to Mars. Now, I'll discuss make sentences with you. First word is explore. I want to explore the city. As I told you, the meaning of explore is when you visit a place, you want to find out about that place more. That means to explore. Collect. Sia likes to collect stamps. And you will be also underlining the words for which you have to write the sentence for. You can make sentences on your own as well, children. Reached. She finally reached the hotel. Eagerly. I am eagerly waiting to meet my grandparents. So this was your last make sentence. This was all about the copy work, children. Do your copy work very neatly and also read the chapter and underline the new words in the chapter. Thank you.